In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view and adjust the information for your locations. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have the enterprise selected or the specific location selected you want to view the information for. If you select the enterprise, you'll see all of the locations. Otherwise, you'll only see the one location. Then click on Locations. Since I'm logged in under the Enterprise, I can see all of the locations. Next, choose the location whose information you would like to view or adjust. You should be taken to your location's information page. You can see the code for your location, the name, the email, the address, the city, state, zip code, phone number, and fax. If you need to fill in any of that information, you can do so by clicking on that box and adding a phone number. You could do the same thing with any of that other information. To the right, you'll see your location's external ID, the time zone, the culture. You should leave your culture on the default if you're in the United States. If not, you can click that arrow and choose a different language. The languages are also country specific. For a custom time format or other culture settings, be sure and contact your schedule source representative. Then you can add your location to a specific folder. I'll say Stadium. If this location is ready to start working and you want to begin building schedules for it, you need to go ahead and click the Enabled and Deployed boxes. Otherwise, your location will not be activated. Then you can leave any notes you want. To save any changes you've made, be sure and hit the Save button. A green save bar will appear next to the Save button, letting you know when that page was last saved. Then scroll down. You have one final option, and that is to add a unique ID. A unique ID enables your employees to create public pages, which is a unique URL to their schedule that allows them to view their schedule without logging into their Teamwork 5 account. You may also need to enable a unique ID if you're using the time kiosk. To add the unique ID, simply click Add, and that ID will have been added. If you want to clear away that unique ID option, you can choose Clear. Teamwork 5 is going to make sure you do want to disable that functionality. If you do, click OK. I don't. I'm going to leave that on, so I will choose Cancel. That's how you can view and update a location's information. Check out the next video to learn how to set your location's specific days and hours of operation.